Being a hairdresser for over 14 years, it is very important that you give your clients the best products possible. And that is where this product comes in handy, honey. I took the liberty of having my brother test this out on his beard because he loves to take care of his beard, and I just feel like he would know best. And so let's go ahead and take a closer look at what he's doing. So right off the bat, you want to make sure you have a nice clean beard. Make sure you comb it thoroughly through, honey, okay? Because we can't have no kinks and knots in there, okay? Make sure you pat dry your face. And this is just a bonus, honey, because when you scrape that towel, it is no bueno. And now we're going in with the nice beard oil, and this is for growth. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and massage that oil in as best as possible, honey. I can't stress that enough. So rub, 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 massage, 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 okay? Make sure you get your face as well. Look at the glow on his skin just from that oil alone. And don't forget, combing is definitely key. So once you massage this stuff in, make sure you comb. Now we're going in with the beard balm, and this is like a sandalwood, and that just smells ever so good. Oh my gosh. Listen, ladies, get this for your man, okay? Men, get this for your woman, okay? Because this stuff smells amazing. Ever so subtle, but still smells amazing. And you just want to make sure you work that in as well, because we can't leave no stone unturned, honey, okay? We got to get up in that beard. So that's one thing about it, and two things for sure, honey. My brother does not play with his beard, okay? He's going to make sure it's looking right for the night, honey, okay? And that is where the beard club comes in. And with a beard like that, honey, I asked him and he said a 10 out of 10. He loves it.